Hello guys and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Guys, I'm speaking slowly because my son is sleeping here and I don't want to wake him up. I hope you guys can hear me. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Please make yourself comfortable by clicking on that subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new video. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for watching. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time and finally it's here. So guys, in today's video I'll be talking about small YouTubers and their hypocrisy stroke entitlement mentality. I don't know if this makes sense. Small YouTubers and their hypocrisy stroke entitlement mentality. Why small YouTubers are worse than what they criticize. This is what this video is all about. For long, we'll be talking about big YouTubers who've been everybody, myself inclusive. Like, we've been all about big YouTubers, their selfishness, their greed. There's this video I made about big YouTubers and their greed and selfishness, okay? If you've not watched that video, go and watch it. Today's video, I am going to be addressing small YouTubers. Small YouTubers like me and some of you that are watching this video, because I know that some people that will watch this video are also small YouTubers. So I'm addressing us in this video. So for long now, we've been all about big YouTubers and how they have been selfish on this platform, how they have refused to help the smaller and the growing YouTubers, how they have been all about themselves only without thinking of how to help other people. But the thing is, we've not really sat down to think. We've not really sat down to meditate. I don't know if meditation is the word, but I hope you understand. So we've not really sat down to think and ask ourselves some questions. Because the truth is, on this platform, we have a lot of smaller and growing YouTubers. Here on this platform, the small YouTubers and the growing YouTubers are more than the big YouTubers. So we have more of small YouTubers on this platform. We have more of growing YouTubers on this platform. But we've not really sat down to think about our role in promoting ourselves. We've not really sat down to think about what we can do to promote each other, what we can do to uplift each other. We've not done that. All we've been thinking about is big YouTubers this, big YouTubers that, big YouTubers like. We don't even love ourselves. We don't even promote ourselves. Because I've been on this platform for a while now. I've been on this platform for some time now and I've sat down to monitor these things. And I've observed that smaller YouTubers and growing YouTubers are more selfish than the bigger YouTubers. We are actually more selfish than those bigger YouTubers that we criticize. Because on this platform, we are many. We are like times 10, the bigger YouTubers. But we don't tend to promote ourselves. We don't tend to support each other. If all of us, as big and as many as we are on this platform, if all of us share each other's videos, if all of us support each other, if all of us collaborate with each other, believe in me, you will not even need a bigger YouTuber. You will not even need the help of a bigger YouTuber to blow on YouTube. But the thing is, smaller YouTubers are even jealous of themselves. I keep saying them. Us, most of us are very selfish. Most of us are very, very, very selfish. Like, we only think of ourselves. We only think of ourselves and what we can benefit from other people. We don't think of what we can do for other people. We don't think of how we can promote other people. We are always thinking of ourselves. There are people on this platform, people here, they are not even getting 1K views every day. Like, they don't get 1K views every day. But these people, because they are bigger than someone that gets like 3-4 views or someone that gets like 40 views a day, because they are bigger than that person, they will just be looking down on the person. I don't even want to collaborate with that person. They will be carrying shoulder up because they get like, let's say 200 views a day or 300 views a day. or let's even call it 500 views a day, because these kind of people don't even get up to 1k views a day. But when they see somebody they are bigger than, when they see somebody that does not get up to the views they get in a day, they'll be looking down on that person. Yet these same people want big YouTubers to promote them. Yet want these same people keep saying that bigger YouTubers or big YouTubers are selfish. They keep saying that big YouTubers are greedy, that big YouTubers don't want to help anybody. But you, in your own little way, you cannot help someone that you're supposed to help. You will create a good content and your fellow small YouTuber, because all of us are small YouTuber. If you cannot get up to 1k views, even people that get 1k views a day, me, I consider them growing YouTubers. But people that get below 1k views a day, omo, you are a small YouTuber, whether you like it or not. We are all small YouTubers. So don't feel like because you get 500 views a day and me, I'm getting 2 views a day, you will feel like I'm not on your level. And you may think I'm not on your level, but you should also know that those big YouTubers that you criticize are also not on your level. So stop being entitled to their help. Since you cannot help people that you are better than, since you cannot help people you are doing better than, even some smaller YouTubers here, you will be watching their videos, you'll be supporting them, giving them all the support, you'll be supporting them, be doing everything for them, be sharing their videos. These people, because they get more views than you, they will not even come to your channel yourself to even look, to even see what you are doing, not to talk of. And these are the type of people that want big YouTubers to help them. These are the type of people that are always criticizing big YouTubers. You see, you never even get up to their level. You've not even gone half. You've not even gotten to half of their level. And you are already feeling pompous. You are already feeling like your path no dey market. You can imagine when you are up there with them. You can imagine when you are big as they are, as big as those big YouTubers are. You will do worse. Because right now, you've not started getting a lot of views. But because you get more views than some people, you will just be looking down on them. You won't be sharing their videos. You want big YouTubers to share your videos, but you cannot support your fellow small YouTuber. You cannot watch videos of your fellow small YouTubers. I know there's no way you can support everybody, but people that I'm talking to, you know yourselves. You know yourselves. Whether you are lying to yourself or not, you know yourselves. You cannot watch your fellow YouTubers' video or even visit their channel to see what they are doing. Because of what? Because you feel they are not on your level. Because you feel you are big, you are better than them, you are doing bigger than them. Look, let me tell you, this YouTube thing, how will I put it? Luck, honestly. That you are getting more views than those ones you look down on does not mean that you create better content than them. There are a whole lot of people that create great content, but because they don't have that opportunity of people seeing their videos, because they are not lucky enough for people to see their videos, because they are not lucky enough to get the publicity, you will see them, they'll be getting 2 views, 3 views, 4 views a day. But you now that is getting 200 views a day, you will think that is because you are better than those ones. See, you better carry your shoulder down. You better come down from your high horse. Come down. Because you cannot be criticizing those big YouTubers while you do worse. You can imagine what you would do if you get to their level. You will see a good content from your fellow small, struggling YouTuber. Instead of you to help the person share the video so that your audience can also watch, you ignore it. Because of what? You don't want that person to pass you. You don't want that person to be bigger than you. Your fellow small YouTuber will ask you, see, let me tell you, I've not done collaboration yet, and that's because I don't want insult, and I would want, if I want to do collaboration, I would want to start with smaller and growing YouTubers. But you see, some of us are not asking for collaboration because we don't want insult from those growing and small YouTubers that feel they are better than other small YouTubers. I don't know if you get. So my dear small YouTuber, my dear growing YouTuber, try to practice what you preach. Before you come out here to call out any big YouTuber, before you come out here to say that any big YouTuber is not helping people, have you helped those you are better than? Have you helped them? No, you've not. But you want a big YouTuber to come down to help you, but you cannot help people on your level. What kind of entitlement mentality is that? You see? So let us try to apply what we preach. Let us practice what we preach. You cannot just be preaching A and you'll be easy. If we will support each other, if all of us from A to Z start supporting each other from today, believe me, we will blow. Because the people that are watching you are different from people that are watching me. They are also different from people that are watching another person. So if all of us, smaller and growing YouTubers, support each other, believe me, we will blow. Even you self, you go blow past the way you are. But you are the way you are, trying to seek attention from big YouTubers because you do not support people you are supposed to support. Okay? So let's not be hypocrites. All of us, let us not be hypocrites. Let us try to do those things that we preach, those things that we want big YouTubers to be doing. Let's start doing our own part. If we don't do our own part, then nobody is moving. So I just say, let me just hurry up and tell you guys this thing. Okay? So, yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are a smaller YouTuber, if you are a growing YouTuber, this video is for you. I hope you sit down. I hope you think. I hope you meditate. I hope you reason so that you will see the point in this video. Try to support, you know yourselves. You selfish small YouTubers, try to support your fellow small YouTuber. You will not die. Try to support your fellow small YouTuber. You that is watching me, I hope all of you listen. And also there are a whole lot of small YouTubers too that are very supportive. I see all of you people. There are people that are very, very, very supportive. You guys, God will bless you. Honestly, you may not be supporting me, but the support you give to other YouTubers, sharing their videos in your community, watching their videos, and leaving comments, you don't even select. You guys are doing well. Keep supporting your fellow YouTuber. I'm also talking to myself. We should all keep supporting our fellow YouTubers, smaller YouTubers. Let us support each other so that we can leave this stage we are right now. Okay? Nobody can make it on YouTube alone. Guys, I don't want this video to be too long. My son is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.